What we're going to do today is install a skin kit for the Gear Fit2. What you have to do is just press and pull the band off. And if you analyze this device, you're going to see that the top portion is bigger than the bottom. So the way it's laid out here, you want to start with that bigger piece, which is the upper. After you apply it, you're going to compare from the bottom and make sure it's even on both sides because the edges do wrap over the sides. So you're going to heat it with a household hair dryer. Might have to give it like 1 or 2 rounds. You can heat it for 10 seconds and then give it a press. Now the same for the other side, just want to heat it and press, and this is what it will look like. Now make sure the device is clean with alcohol and you will not have any issues. Okay, now we're gonna install the bottom. All you have to do is align with those little ports for where you charge and the top and the bottom. Don't have to worry about the sides yet. Okay, now it's time to give it a heat. Give it about 10 seconds worth of heat at the highest temperature. And then you want to start pressing little by little while the film is soft. And there you can see how perfectly it comes out. Now for the other side. Now this one here, I'm going to press directly in the middle around the 2 buttons first. And here is the result. And then next will be the clasp. I'm just going to get a piece of Scotch tape, pull it off the wax paper, and apply it. Now using the Scotch tape, it is easier to align in the center. Now I'm going to give it a final heat treatment with a hairdryer at the highest temperature, just so that the edges are all sealed. Okay, next is going to be the optional center screen guard. And get multiple pieces. First you want to wet your hands with the glass cleaner or soapy solution, just so you don't get fingerprints on there. Then you just apply it. Next you get a credit card or squeegee. Wrap it in paper. And just give it a squeegee until you squeeze most of the liquid out. Now just give it 24 hours for the cloud and haze to disappear. And during that time, you can still use the product. It's not an issue.